A nose ring at your age? Seriously, that looks a lot desperate. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you my video response to this YouTube comment made a short while ago. I purposely have my blue hair out in this video. It is mine. It is colored blue. I also have my nose ring. I just want to point that out. And I even got all dressed up in my tutu dress just to prepare this video response. Stay tuned. I'm Carol Brailey of carolbrailey.com. As the intro said, I received a video comment that I was quite shocked about. Yes, I am desperate to always dress in my style and personality style. I don't believe in dressing for your age. So, for instance, when we pull out different shirts at a store or different dresses, etc., it doesn't say for age 40 and under, for age 30 and under, etc. I don't believe in the concept of dressing for your age, because if you're dressing for your age and it's out of harmony with your personality style, you won't be happy when you look in the mirror or go out in the world. I always say dress for your style and personality style. That is always best. And maybe it doesn't come across in some of these videos, particularly the older videos that I've done, because I used to be really nervous when filming, and over time I've developed some comfort. My personality really doesn't come across on your screen, but in person, I'm a massive creative type. I'm the type that wears tutus and nose rings and puts blue in her hair, etc. Because if I don't do that, I feel so bored with my style and personal style. Even if you look at my bio on my website, you would have seen that I used to work in the corporate world. And even when I was working in that environment, I never wore, say, a matchy suit or what have you. I always had to have some sort of massive creative flair, or else I felt out of harmony with who I was or am when I went out in the world or when I go out in the world. So me showing off a massive creative type in what I wear is what I'm desperate to do every day. And I hope that you're desperate to show off your style and personality style in what you wear. Just because I choose to wear a tutu dress, I wore this dress to Toronto International Film Festival party a couple years ago. Just because I choose to wear, say, a tutu dress, nose ring, and blue in my hair does not mean that works for your personality style. We are all unique. All our style types, our body types, body silhouettes, combined with our personality style, adds to our unique style. And so it's dressing for that I say is key. So while a nose ring might not work for you, it does work for me. I have gone through in the past situations where I took out my nose ring and let it grow in, and I always put it back in because I was so bored when I looked in the mirror. Dress always for your style and personality style, and you can't go wrong. I don't agree with dressing for your age. Have a fabulous day.